Hey friends, if you wish to connect a Bluetooth speaker on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So click on the system tray, call this to undo Bluetooth, click on the forward pointing arrow and let it start searching for the devices. Okay, or you can go to more Bluetooth settings and click on add a device and select Bluetooth. It will start searching for devices in the proximity and maybe it might find a Bluetooth device here. So you will have to wait because at times it needs a lot of time to find the device. Okay. And once it finds the device, we can connect it accordingly. So meanwhile, we will just wait. Okay. Now I will try to pair it to the Bluetooth device and then I'll have to click on yes and make sure that the pairing number is the same. It says connection succeeded and now the device has been connected. The Bluetooth speaker has been connected. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.